In this video, I'll talk about changing navigation icon on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, what I need you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you're gonna go into your Squarespace website that you want to change navigation icon for. Once you're in that, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now, before we get started, I'd like you to understand that in order to change the navigation, we need to inject code into Squarespace. But that feature it comes with upgraded plans. So I am on a free version, but I'm still gonna show you how to do it anyways. Now you're gonna go to website and you're gonna go to pages. At the bottom of the pages panel, you're gonna see custom code. You click on it and you're gonna go to code injection. Now on the code injection at the header, because we want to change the icon for the navigation at the header, we're gonna paste this code. Now this script is a CDN for um font awesome, where we're gonna be taking the icons from. Now we have this code here. Let's just put it here to in case we want to put some icons at the footer or so. Now we're gonna click on save, and once we click on save, and as you can see it here, it says we need to upgrade. This feature comes with an upgraded version. Now we're gonna go to pages. We're gonna go to the page that we want to add the icon for the navigation to or change it. We're gonna click on this settings button right next to it. Once we hover over it, you can see the settings. We're gonna click on it, and under the navigation title, this is where we're gonna put in our code to get the icon from Font Awesome. So this is the about page, so we can use about for this. And once we save, it's gonna run before the page runs. So this is gonna change to an icon. It's supposed to be changed to an icon before it goes, but because I'm on the free version, this is not running. So that's how to change navigation icon on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.